For those of you that helped us move that a rainy day, not too much stuff left in here. These are all electronic stuff because I'm rewiring a lot of the house. But you can see this is almost empty. I brought some plants in from outside. I've been adding smart switches throughout the house. People ask why I didn't downsize. Well, I like having all this room, and I needed a place for all my brewery stuff, my helicopters, car stuff. Soldering station is ready in the brewery. Come on over, I got plenty. Brew. RC helicopter stuff. Sleep sofa if you want to come over and spend the night. Both flexes finally together. And back there's where the brewery equipment is, and your own bathroom if you get to spend the night. The Wi-Fi signal would reach out here. My kayaks and ladders, and the only new things I really have are the lawnmower, the John Deere, and the snowblower. Also got a new power washer to replace my old one because it was getting kind of hanky. But I still got a lot of tools to organize. But I kind of know where everything is almost, but it's a work in progress.